In this video, you'll learn how to transfer Solana from your Phantom wallet to your payout address. By following these steps, you will successfully send your SOL tokens to the designated destination. Begin by opening your Phantom wallet application on your device. Ensure that you are on the home screen where you can view your wallet balance and recent transactions. Next, locate and click on the send button, which is typically found prominently on the home screen. This action will take you to a new interface for initiating the transfer. In the address field that appears, paste the payout address you have copied from the platform or exchange where you intend to send your Solana. Double check that this address is accurate to avoid any loss of funds. After entering the payout address, you will need to select the cryptocurrency you wish to send. Click on the drop-down menu and select Solana SOL from the list of available options. This selection is crucial as it ensures you are transferring the correct asset. Now, you will need to enter the amount of Solana you wish to transfer. Make sure to consider your available balance and any transaction fees that may apply. It is advisable to leave a small buffer in your wallet for future transactions. Once you have entered the amount, click on the send button to proceed with the transaction. A confirmation screen will appear detailing the transaction information. Review the details to ensure everything is correct. Finally, confirm the transaction by clicking on the confirmation button. You may also see a loading indicator while your transaction is being processed. Depending on the network traffic, this may take a few moments. After the transaction is complete, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that the transfer was successful. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.